Hello everyone. This video demonstrates SAP exercise 03, the procurement process. In this exercise, you are going to perform procurement process, meaning you're going to buy something from different vendors and then receive the products into your warehouse. So this exercise demonstrates that the integration between purchasing department, inventory department, and the warehouse management department. So, and also the financial department. You'll see all different functions can be integrated. So basically, you are going to purchase 5 materials. They are elbow pad, road helmets, repair kits, off-road helmets, and knee pads. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate only one material. You need to complete the rest of the 4 material for yourself. Okay, so you will purchase 50 of each of these goods from Olympic Protective Gear to be delivered to GBI's Miami plant. So this is the setting for this exercise. So let's move on to the first step is to create purchase requisition. You do not just place the order to purchase things in your organization. So first thing, you need to create a request to purchase something, and this request will be reviewed by purchasing department or other related person to make the approval. So purchase requisition is that type of request for purchasing, so and will be reviewed later on. So in this step, okay, you need to create the purchase requisition to buy the 5 materials. So the first step is to review the material inventory. I made a video to show you how to review the materials, your materials. So basically, everybody has the same set of materials, but your material differs from others in terms of the last 3 digits of material numbers. Okay, I'll show you again how to check your material in the system. Okay, so the question is how many elbow pens are in inventory before requisition. Okay, let's check. Go to check this inventory. Go to SAP system and go to logistics, material management, inventory management. Go to environment. Go to stock. Then go to the warehouse stock, or you can just type in MB52 in this command box and execute this transaction. Is easier. Okay, this is shown in the other video, but I'm going to show you again here. Double click on this, and then you need to enter the elbow pants and check the elbow pants inventory. So in this screen, you need to enter the material number then check that material's inventory. So for you guys, you don't have anything here. You have to search for the materials number. So you can click into this box and then click on this little search box and make sure you are at the material number, material description, this tab. There are many other tabs. If you click on that, there are some other tabs. Okay, so it's the easiest way to find that tab is click on this little button. Find this is material number, material description. You click on that and brings you to this page. So over here is the material description. We don't use this one. We use material this. Always remember you use this because everybody's material ends with 3 digits that of your SAP username. So we will use this facility to search for our materials. So first of all, we use a wildcard or the star, and then enter your SAP username's last 3 digits. For me, it's 002. For some of other students, you could use your, for example, 003, 010, 014, that type of thing. Okay, then click on OK or Start Search. So you will have a list of all the available materials in your system. So these are your materials. Look at the last column. This is the material number. So all the number ends with 002. That's my materials. So in the list of material description, find the elbow pants. Okay, elbow pants is over here. In order to search, to review the elbow pants inventory, we need to enter the elbow pants material number by double click on this. And this number has been entered. And the rest is simple. What you need is just click on the execute. Okay, so there is a list of the inventory in your warehouses. Check out the other video, you will see the detailed information about this page. So basically you can see I have 4 pieces of information. For each pieces of information is for each different warehouse. This is in Germany, Heidelberg, Hamburg, Miami, and San Diego. So the question asked is about how many in your because this is the purchase, you're going to save the purchase into your Miami plan. So this is asked about the Miami's inventory. So go to the Miami, and you can see the first column. The second column is the unrestricted unit. So this is the inventory that you can use for anything else. So let me see, for Miami, 0. So you don't have any elbow pants at your Miami distribution center. Okay, so you can see elbow pants is the material description. EPAD 1002 is the material number. And you can also see the TG00, that is the storage location for trading goods. Okay, because elbow pants is type of trading goods. Okay, so what you need is type 0 over there, and then I did like you to check the other materials and fill in the blanks. So what you need to do, you go back to click on backward and go to this page, and then click on search, and again type in star 002 for me, and for you numbers will be different. And then take a look at the other one is road helmets. Find road helmet. You need to find the exact words. Road helmet. Double click on that. So this is a road helmet number, and click on that. Again, 0. So you need to do the rest of the 3. Okay. Okay, so the second step is to review vendor account balance. So again, you need to go to I will make another video showing you how to review vendor account, but I'm going to show you here anyway. So let's take a look at the balance in your vendor's account before requisition. Your vendor is, go back to top over here, this Olympic protective gear is your vendor. So the vendor's account showing that do you owe this vendor money, or if this vendor owes you money. Okay, let's go to the SAP system. Then close logistics. When you talk about account, it's something about the accounting. Go to accounting, and go to which one you think is account receivable or payable. So for the vendor, you need to pay the vendor. So you'll see, do you need to pay the vendor? So it should be account payable. So go to account payable and go to account, and display balances. So double click on that. So you need to enter the vendor's information. Again, also company code US00 and fiscal year 2015. You don't know vendor's number, so you need to search. Click on the search button. So this is a little bit different from search for material. Search for vendor, you just need to enter the last 3 digits of your username. So do not use a star sign. Okay, just enter this under vendor general search term. In the search term, enter that 3 digit and click OK. Now this is my list of my vendors. They're all different vendors, and you can see the last 3 digits are the same. But anyway, trying to find Olympic protective gear. So double click on that, and you put the number over there and click on execute. So you will have information like this: no data rate for fiscal year 2015, meaning that there's no record with this, and meaning that the balance is 0. So you go to your work and that's 0. And you will keep doing this a couple of times during the process, and you will see when exactly you will receive, you will have a balance in that account. But if you see this, that means the balance is 0. And if there's a balance, the screen will look differently. Okay, and then exit this transaction. Let's move on to the next part. So the next part is to navigate to transaction to create a purchase requisition. Okay, so go to navigation, logistics, material management, purchasing, purchase requisition, and create. So that means this is the transaction to create the purchase requisition. And move down, you can see other questions. What is the create? What is the change purchase requisition? The transaction code is 52N, and the next is display. So they have different transaction code. Okay, so next step in the create purchase requisition screen, meaning that you need to double click on the create. So this is create purchase requisition screen. So you need to enter the following data: field name, document type. So take a look at this. Is a shopping cart, and this document type should be purchase requisition. If you don't have this over here, click on this little arrow, and you can see different other things, but just choose purchase requisition. And then this screen is divided into 3 sections: header, item overview, and item. Okay, if you click on this button, it will expand, and click it again, expand this one, and click that, expand. And then if you want to close that, click it again, and click again, will be closed. So the next step is open the item overview section and enter the following data for the 5 items to be purchased. So material, 1 line item for each. Okay, so let's find the materials column. You need to enter the material for the 5 materials. So if you cannot remember a code, again, go to this and then search for your material. Go to the elbow pants first, and then enter the next field is 50. You want to buy 50 of each of them, and then delivery date, 1 week from today. If you can click on 15th, okay, and you can move over. So deliver date planned, because this is you need to put them into the My Army distribution center. Click on the search box. So there are only several